Hi guys, sorry I was not able to give you a heads up with the snow day that I would be gone today, but today should be pretty straightforward. So you're going to start with a context clues practice. Context clues are one of the skills that we're hoping that you guys are able to grasp with this unit. There is a hyperdoc for this found in Canvas, as well as a pink and purple worksheet that go with the hyperdoc that will be due at the end of class. The substitute will hand those out to you. If you finish this context clues practice early, please go and do some SSR in the Outsiders. We're hoping to shoot for chapters 3 and 4 to be finished. I'm not going to give you guys a due date yet, only because I would like to see kind of how this plays out with the weather. But getting started on the reading won't hurt. And then just a reminder that Outsiders comprehension for chapters 1 and 2 are due today, so please make sure you turn those into the tray. Actually due yesterday, but with the snow we weren't able to collect them. So once you're on Canvas, you can go to Modules, Outsiders, and then Context Clues Hyperdoc. And there are 4 steps to this hyperdoc. So step 1 says, using the practice story 1, complete the questions in your pink practice story 1 context clues worksheet. So on that pink worksheet, on the you will see this as your question. So it says, what does impervious mean in the sentence from paragraph 8? So you'll go to the story, and for some of these questions, it will be okay if you don't read the whole thing, but some might require it just to have some background knowledge, so it probably won't hurt to just read the story quickly. But the paragraphs are numbered, so if you just go to paragraph 8, you will see that impervious is used in the sentence down here at the bottom. And you're going to try to use context clues to figure out what impervious might mean, okay? You would circle the correct answer and move on to number 2 and do the same thing, paying attention to the paragraph numbers. There is one down here at the bottom that asks for evidence or proof from the story to tell your answer. So that means what exactly in this sentence told you what you think boring means, okay? After you do step 1, you'll go to step 2. There's a context clues video that I want you to watch. And as you're watching the video, make sure that you're answering the questions here. The first question is, a context clue is, and you're just going to define it. The second question said, I should look for, and in the video it talks about when looking for context clues, there's 3 things that you can be paying attention or looking for. And then the video also says for this last question, if there are none of these look-fors in the sentence, I can use, and it gives a strategy that you can use to try to figure out the word meaning. Step 3 asks for you to use the purple worksheet that the sub will hand out. And that is just more practice with context clues, but this one will ask you to put in the clues that helped you come to your definition. So even if you already know what these words mean, C's, you're still going to be required to put in proof from the sentence so that you can show that you're using context clues, okay? That's where a lot of your points will come for that one. And then the last step just says, go to your pink worksheet. So after you've had more practice and step with the purple worksheet, after you've watched the video, I want you to go back to that pink worksheet and double check your answers. And if you are fine with your answers and you're fine with what you're about to turn in both the pink and the purple worksheets into the turn-in tray. And then, like the agenda said, you will then start reading your Outsiders comprehension, your Outsiders chapters 3 and 4. And if you are somebody who has not finished 1 and 2, obviously start there and work on those comprehension questions. But 3 and 4 is the goal, hopefully, for this week. And we will go from there. You are allowed to listen to the audiobook that's posted on Canvas, but remember the rule is that you follow along in the story. So please make sure that you are doing that. Please be on your best behavior, and I will see you guys tomorrow.